Well, you can just feel it when changes are going to be in the air. We still did manage to reach well up into the 70s today with the clouds increasing 77 degrees. The dew points have risen just a little bit back into the 50s. That's going to be signs of some rain that's going to be showing up on Doppler radar. Now, anything you see at this point, this is Virgo, which is not going to be reaching the ground. Our greater shower threat is going to be occurring as we go after dark tonight. And I do expect that shower threat will become more widespread overnight tonight. Looking just off to the west, back towards Chicago, down into Illinois, now arriving into western Indiana. That's going to be our greater shower threat that's going to come into the area tonight and likely to last into tomorrow morning. And after a very dry October, we could say, yeah, we can actually use some of that rainfall. Latest drought monitor actually puts abnormally dry to the borderline drought conditions into northwest Ohio. Now, of course, on the other side of the growing season, still does matter, though, that we get some regular rainfall after a very dry October. Our October rain so far this month, it's been 1/4 inch of rain. That is it. We're nearing 2 inches below average. And if you do remember, just 1 year ago, we had an exceptionally wet start to the month of October. We are now in our 8th driest October on record, whereas this point last year, we were one of the wettest Octobers on record. So we've kind of seen back-to-back extremes from the wet weather last year to the dry weather this year. We've got mid-70s, even a few spots still in the upper 70s. Even with the cloud cover, that warmer breeze is keeping us on the mild side. But here's that storm system that's going to be swinging into the Great Lakes region, that area of low pressure. Not only going to be sparking some strong storms down to the south, where there's the risk of a few severe storms this evening. It'll bring our rain threats into northern Ohio as we go overnight tonight. So we'll time that out. Rain showers coming to the area. This could be well after dark, even closer to midnight for some areas. They'll fill in, become a little steadier as rain becomes likely into tomorrow morning. So I do anticipate morning bus stop or that morning drive likely to have wet weather. Still going to be mild, near 60 degrees first thing in the morning. But as those showers continue to wrap up across the area, cooler air is going to arrive as showers taper off through the afternoon. That breeze is going to pick up, and we're going to go falling through the afternoon back into the 50s as we go through Wednesday afternoon. How much rainfall? I expect up to 1/2 inch of rain. Most areas going to be between 1/4 to 1/2 inch of total rainfall. For your Wednesday, near 60 degrees early, falling back into the 50s as the afternoon progresses. And I do expect it will be considerably cooler by that evening drive, a little closer to the low 50s. Right around 60 Wednesday, but again, it turns cooler through the afternoon. On and off showers going to be likely. Mid-50s for Thursday, upper 50s into Friday, and our last weekend in October still looking outstanding. Low 60s Saturday and into Sunday. That brief shower threat possible Monday of next week. We'll keep that in mind for trick or treat. It does not appear to be anything heavy or widespread, just a couple light showers, and right on cue with how this October has been. Very dry weather set to continue late October and into early November. And if you look, the beauty of that 10-day forecast, late next week, we may be talking several days back to 70 or warmer. That gets unusual for this point.
I was just going to ask,
November.
It seems like we've had so much time to get on out there and enjoy fall. It seems like it's usually really fast or inconsistent.
That's a little bit of a trend on a kind of a broader climate perspective. It seems our falls have gone a little drier and a little bit warmer later into the season, and we kind of pay for it on the back end of the winter season, where those winter seasons kind of linger a little bit longer. So a little bit of a change that we've noticed over the past couple of decades.
It's been